Here's another hot take for you.
Okay, doubling up. All right.
Most cars should be electric.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think you're going to say most people don't care.
I'm not going to say most people don't care. I'm going to tell you
Most people don't care.
most people don't care.
I mean, you're right. You're right that most people don't care, and most people treat their vehicle as an appliance. Some of those people like to have something more interesting or more different, but still treat their car as an appliance, but also as an outfit. Those are the people that drive Volvos.
Something with more personality than a Tesla Model 3.
Right, which is effectively the opposite of a personality. I say this
And
because I own one.
Yeah. And it's a fantastic car for just the most distilled essence of what a car should do.
It is a lump of car for a person who needs a lump of car. It is perfect for my wife.
It's very minimal maintenance.
She does not want to drive anything that causes her to have to think extra, does most of the driving for her. It just gets her to where she needs to go. She doesn't enjoy driving. So it is the perfect appliance for her. I agree that most people would benefit from just having a regular appliance.
Not only would most people benefit, I think the roads would be safer. I think this is actually something that was brought up on the Carmudgeon show. I forget who said it. Gasoline is far too precious a resource to be wasted on people that don't care about it.
That don't enjoy it, yeah.
And it's an increasingly precious resource. And I say this, my opinion is I think most cars should be electric or hybrid electric. As someone I consider myself an auto enthusiast, and I drive a 72 Plymouth Cuda, which is the exact opposite of that.
Right. It's the Jay Leno school, the horse theory of automobiles.
The internal combustion car will become like what the horse was, where people who just care about horses for the sake of horses will continue to have them.
And the average horse has a much better life. The average internal combustion engine vehicle is going to be cared for and used more preciously than most cars are right now.
Electric vehicles do more damage from their inception, but you eventually overcome that with what you save in not using gasoline. So I think eventually you'll have a bunch of used EVs that will displace new EV sales.
And if the demand goes down for gasoline, so does the price.
Exactly.
Point of your message, I think, is to build nuclear power plants.
That's a tangent unrelated to this podcast, outside of the scope of the show.
Yeah, but you can't have everyone drive electric running on coal.
You could.
It'd be a bad idea.